In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Webflow templates. Whether you're new to Webflow or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials of designing your own custom templates. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to start creating unique web design templates that suit your style and project needs. To begin, let's head over to your favorite search engine and type in Webflow. You'll want to click on the link that takes you to the Webflow website. Once there, you'll see options to either log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. Follow the prompts provided to get fully signed in or to create your account if needed. This simple step gets you set up and takes you straight into the Webflow world, ready to create your masterpiece. Once inside, you'll want to open the site that you prefer to work with. If you're new to Webflow, you might take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. But don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. You can select an existing project from your dashboard or start a new one that suits your design needs. Now, let's move on to creating a static page template, one of the foundational steps in building your Webflow template. Start by locating the Pages panel inside the Webflow Designer. It's usually found on the left-hand side of the interface, with an icon that looks like a little square with lines in it. Once there, click on the Create New Page icon. A dialog box will pop up, offering you a few options. Choose Create Static Page Template from the list. At this stage, you'll want to give your new template a name and a brief description. This is where you can get creative. Name it something that clearly reflects what the template is designed for. Remember, the description can be particularly helpful for you or anyone else who may use this template later, as it provides context and purpose. Additionally, you'll have access to manage various template settings that might suit particular needs or preferences. Once you've named and described your template, go ahead and click Create. This step finalizes the initial setup, bringing you just a small step closer to crafting a unique design. All the settings you've just selected are now ready for use in building out your template. With just a few simple steps, you've started your journey into template creation in Webflow. As you continue exploring, remember that every design is a chance to learn and experiment. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and don't forget, the world of Webflow is vast and full of potential. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.